Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft exception access violation error. This error usually happens because of corrupted game files, broken mods, outdated graphic driver, or Java memory issue. First, just go ahead and restart your computer and launch Minecraft once again. Sometimes temporary memory issue can cause this error. Next, remove any mods, shaders, or texture pack that you are using and test Minecraft without them, since incompatible mods are one of the most common issue. After that, update your graphics driver. Just right-click on your Start menu and just go ahead and go to Device Manager. Now here, just go ahead and expand the display adapter and right-click on your graphics driver and choose to update driver. Click on Search automatically for driver. And as you can see, the best driver has been already installed. And after you have done that, just go ahead and restart your PC. And once your drivers are updated, install the latest version of Java. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for Java and go to Java Oracle and make sure Java is updated to the latest version. And once that you have done that, just go to your Windows search bar and search for Minecraft Launcher and make sure to run it as an administrator to give the game full permission. If the issue still continues, just go ahead and reinstall Minecraft completely to replace corrupted files. The simple rule is broken mods or outdated drivers, access violation error, and updating driver, plus running a clean setup usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft exception access violation error by removing mods, updating graphics driver, updating Java, and reinstalling Minecraft. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.